leather. I never buy it and I never wear it. It's bad for the environment and for the animals. So I only wear this cactus. Ouch! This is the world's first cactus leather. And we went all the way to Mexico, my country, to show you how they make it.
Hi, Nas Daily. My name is Adrian.
And I am Marte.
And together we turn
Cactus into leather.
These two friends are designers and they hate leather. Because
it is bad for the environment.
here is why.
Leather, it's made from animals and it's often coated with plastics.
So they decided to try making leather that was more eco-friendly. And what is the greenest thing in Mexico? Cactus. Yes, it may be spiky, but it's good for the planet. It grows without chemicals, it makes zero methane pollution, and it kills zero animals.
Cactus is also a symbol of our home, Mexico.
Making cactus into leather was not easy. It took 2 years and all of their savings. But it worked! And here is how they do it. First they put on gloves. Then they trim the cactus, get rid of the spikes, and leave the pieces out in the sun.
Then we start the extraction of the proteins, which are the ones that we use to create the cactus leather, which we call desert.
They dry them, mash them, and add special ingredients.
We only use sustainable ingredients.
Until they have
The world first cactus leather.
Yes, this is the first time that anyone has used cactus to make leather.
Farmers laughed at us in the beginning because they didn't think it would work.
But it has. And today, Adrian and Marte have built a successful empire. Now there's cactus leather, boxing gloves, car seats, handbags, and they are all made of cactus. And when you add up this impact, it's equivalent to saving
1 billion animals. We should keep working with the fashion industry together with nature and not against it.
If you've never seen cactus leather before, you might think the idea sounds crazy. But sometimes crazy ideas are exactly what we need to change the world. Ouch!